Hey everyone, my name is Ben and welcome on my channel PressTube. In this video I'm gonna make a brass Oscar award and I'm gonna make it from these empty bullet shells which I will melt in my melting furnace. Now this is a 3D printed Oscar. It's printed with a special material, it's called polycast. I will provide some information in the description below. It's a special material that you can put in plaster and then you can melt it out in a special furnace so that there is no residue left. I will put some info in the description from this material. Now, I'm not gonna use this Oscar, I'm gonna use one that is twice the size, about 30 centimeters in total. This one is 14, and the one I'm gonna use is 30 centimeters. So yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, guys. Okay guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider to give this a thumbs up. Now, before I show you the actual result, I also want to show you some failed attempts. This is number 1. This is my first try. And if you have some imagination, you can see the feet from the Oscar here. And somewhere in this mess, I will show it a little bit closer. You can also see the Oscar. This is my second fail. This mold cracked up very badly, and if I would pour brass in this, the result would be the same as this one. Now, the reason for these fails is because with this mold, I put it in my melting furnace where I melt my brass bullets, and the mold cracked. Yeah, the entire mold cracked, as you can see. I ramped up the temperature to 800 degrees Celsius in a couple of hours, and the entire mold was cracked. Now, for this mold, I used my electric furnace. You saw it in the video. I bought it especially for this casting. And I also ramped up the temperature too fast. In 24 hours I went to 800 degrees Celsius, and apparently that is also way too fast. So now I will show you the successful attempt. This is the successful Oscar, and for this one I put the mold 100 hours in my electric furnace, and I ramped up the temperature very slowly in these 100 hours. So yeah, that's also the reason why I didn't post any videos for 3 weeks, because these attempts took me 2.5 weeks before I got a successful cast. Now, I hope you liked this. You like this result, guys. I think it's quite nice. And if you have any ideas which I should cast in the future with this technique, I now know how to do it. Just let me know in the comments below and I will make it happen, guys. So yeah. I hope you liked the video, and yeah, see you next time. Bye bye!